how to verify your Google business. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon on. So first, we need to go to the business support of Google, where you can contact the Google team for you to request your verification. And here you would see a page just like this one, where you can see that your business is not listed, and you can request for the video verification. So we will be using video verification for this one, and in this step 2 you can just skip this one. Once you have skipped, go to this step 3, contact options, and select the email option or the email button. Once you have done that, you will be requested to add some of your information, just like what is your issue, what are you trying to accomplish. So you can refer to this one for you to have an idea on what you could put in your business or in this form. And then you can also provide a description and you can submit. And I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching.